In the previous video, I showed you how to create a 3D body. In this video, I will show you the various modification operations that can be carried on a 3D body. If you see here, there is only one body available here. Now I wish to split this body into two, that is a top half and bottom half, that is horizontally. I would want to split it along this line horizontally. Okay, to do this I choose the split body tool. The split body pane appears. I need to choose the body to split, so I select this. Then I need to select the splitting tool. As soon as I click here, the sketch plane appears. You can directly select it from here, horizontal plane. So the splitting tool as seen here, it is red in color. Now I click on OK. Okay, now the splitting is done. But how do you make sure the splitting has been done? Previously there was only one body here. Now you can see two bodies are visible. This is body 1 and this is body 2. Now again I will want to combine these two bodies. Okay, so I use the combine tool. Here you have to choose a target body. I choose this as the target body and this as the tool body, and I want to perform the join operation. And here if you check on this, you create a new component, and check on this, you can keep tools. Checking this option, it literally means that the target body will have the combined body. Okay, if you keep the tools, and the other body will also be there. In this case, target body is body 1, so you will have the combined body in body 1, and body 2 will also appear. But I don't want to select this option, so see what happens now. Now click on OK. See, there is only one body appearing here. If I turn off this eye, the body disappears. If I turn on, the body appears again. And now I use the shell option. Okay, you can create a shell on a face or a body. I choose this face for creating the shell, and I select a inside thickness of 5 mm here, and you see the shell has been applied. Then we have the fillet tool. Okay, this is for creating smooth edges. So I choose 1, 2 and 3, and also this edge. For creating the fillet, I need to choose a radius. So I choose a radius of 3 mm. Okay, and this is how it is, and I select OK. So the fillet has been applied. Then we have the move tool. You can move a body, a component, a face or a sketch object. Here I want to move the body, so I select the body that has to be moved. As soon as I select this, you can see a circle with 3 arrows appears here. So these arrows are for changing the direction. That is, this arrow is for moving it up or down, this arrow front, back, and this arrow is used for moving it sideways. That is the moving it along the 3 axes. You can also rotate it along the axis using these pointers, or if you can just click on this white circle and drag it to any desired location. Okay, and one more thing is that if I select this body, and at the bottom you have the create copy. So if I select this create copy, then the copy of this body is already created. You just have to click on this blue circle and move it. So now you can see 2 bodies are there. Okay, a copy of the body has been created. Okay, so now I click on OK. At the bottom you see the timeline. So far we have done a sketching, then the extrusion operation, splitting, combining, shell, we created a shell, then fillet, then we made a copy, then we moved the copy. So every operation that we have performed has been recorded in the timeline. In order to edit any operation, for example, say I want to edit the fillet operation, then right click on this icon and select edit feature. Okay, now if you see, whatever, this is the original body and that the other one was just a copy, so the edit feature will be applied to this and it will automatically reflect on the copied body. Okay, so now I want to apply the fillet to this side also. This I also select this two sides for the fillet to be applied. Okay, radius I have to specify radius of 2 mm and it's been applied. Now I click on OK. See, now the fillet has been applied to this edge also and it is reflected here also. This is a copy, but it even after the copy was made, whatever changes you made to the original body gets reflected in the copied body also. Come back to the original view, and that's it for now. See you in the next video.